Yo, what is up, guys, and welcome back to ATV Farms episode 150. Today is another real life video of evening chores, so let's move. We're back to using our cowboy hat. So I probably should mount the camera up on my hat, but to be honest, I don't really care. We just got ranch life, or yeah, cattle. So they're just in between the fences over by the hay. I'll go. All right. Stand by. There's nobody out. Well, folks, false alarm. We thought we had a calves were out in between the fence, but apparently not. Yes, fence is off. There's all our cows and calves. False alarm, but still, go feed the pigs and lambs. About what Grandpa said. I was telling Valken false alarm about what.
No what? There is no cow?
There's nobody out. They do need hay.
Not this morning, I didn't.
You want me to get them tonight?
Oh, you know how to do it?
No, I'll just feed Neptune.
He needs vitamins too.
I'll feed the babies.
Oh my God.
Move that green feeder
Yep.
over there in front of that.
That's what I'm about to do. Hold on, folks. The camera on the hat's not really working. It's weighing the hat down. Chicken. Huh? You want it over here?
Over there. No. Over there.
Oh.
So it won't be in the way of the...
Hi guys. So this here is persimmon. Hi baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. So this here is persimmon. Hi baby. So that one there, the baldy, he's the one that we did or banded on Sunday. And then we were gonna tattoo her, but that didn't happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and run her back so we can get this gate here open to give the cows hay. I'm gonna go ahead and drive the cows back out of the way so that way we can do, or that way we can get stuff done easier. I'm not gonna open this gate until I have everybody backing out of the way. fit? Oh yeah, fence is still up. Come on, guys. Yeah. Come on. Go on. Move. Yeah. Hit. Go on. Go. Go on. Shoot. We gotta give hay. Okay. That's not, I'm gonna lay that down. What the? Yeah. So as you guys can see, he's out there, he's going out there to get a bale of hay. Here, I'll come out here so you guys can try to get, so I can try to get you guys a little bit better footage. So if you guys look, you can see the tractor over there grabbing a round bale that we're gonna put in that feeder right there. And of course, all the cows decide to surround the track, huh? Yeah, basically. But yeah, it's just basically small town, like ranch life. It's a really small herd though. That's what I had to do earlier. I ran them back. But who? Wait, how long does dinner have?